This time, I'll be giving you a tutorial on how to create a Canva animation like this. You can download the practice file for free, and I've included other design templates in the video description. Let's get started with the tutorial. In the initial stages, I will create a blank document and change the color using a gradient. The method is, click this button, then click blank document. Then select the gradient color. Then I click the Elements menu. Then select the frame element. Then I use a basic frame, namely a square. I'll do it quickly. Here I'll make 3 square frames and make one of them a little bit bigger than the others. Then I searched for photo elements with the keyword ice cream, and I selected several photos. Here I will do it quickly. One of the products, the background, must be removed using the background remover menu. Then I will add the text.
graphic and this one.
Then I will duplicate all the design elements. I will make changes to the position of the photo elements in the frame and do it quickly. Then I will copy the animation on the previous design element. In this design element section, I will copy the animation. Then I click this button to copy style. After that, I paste it in this design element. Then I set the animation on the product photo as well as the design elements on the background. This is the final result of all the graphic elements that I have arranged. Then I added match and move transition effects to all parts and set the duration. Then click this button, so that the transition effect is applied to all. This is the final result.